holiday time, so that means you need a quick and easy appetizer, and these Christmas cheese trees are perfect. Here are the options to make your Christmas cheese trees. You can use Brie, or we've got Laughing Cow. You definitely need honey. I've got pretzel sticks, but your options over here for nuts and fruit are wide. And you pick what you want to use. These are the nuts and berries and raisins I've picked. And now I'm going to chop them up. Now this just gives you an idea. You might not need this much, you might need more. Believe it or not, I had all these things in my pantry. I eat a lot of nuts. Now you might not have all of this. All right, we're going to take our honey. We're going to add it to our plate. Set that aside. Now your cheese options. You can use a wheel of Brie, or we bought Laughing Cow. We couldn't decide, so we got 3 different flavors. And the benefits of the Laughing Cow is it comes individually wrapped. So all you have to do is unwrap them. They're already in the shape. But if you're using Brie, you're going to need to cut it. Okay, so now we have 8 pieces, but we're going to cut them in half because that's really thick. So I'm going to take a moment and cut each one in half. So you get the idea. Now, of course, you can take the time and cut the rind off. Now, like I said, if you want to use the Laughing Cow, all you need to do is unwrap it. And we didn't realize there were so many different flavors in the store. It is fairly soft. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is get a pretzel stick.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I'm going to break it in half. Okay, so now we're going to dip it in the honey. Must be careful because it is so soft. Press it down. There you go. Dip it in the honey. These are still soft. Okay. I'm holding it together. There we go. Okay. These are the Christmas cheese trees.
Pretty cool.
They look great.
I know they taste good because we had some the other night.
Yeah. So easy. And like I say, you don't need to use all the nuts that I used, but I like nuts. I know it's hard to decide which one. I'm going to go with this one. I like it. You know, I decorated with the rosemary, but you could use that instead of parsley.
Delicious.
This is really cute.
The Laughing Cow cheese, I mean, I haven't had it since I was a kid.
I don't think I've ever had it.
My mom used to put it in our lunch. It was good.
Yeah?
Been a long time, yeah.
I didn't know they had all those flavors.
It's actually delicious. Tastes really nice. And it's very soft, so...
Very soft.
You just pull back the wrapper and put it in the nuts. And I would say watching Brigetta make this, if you have a food processor or a blender.
It would be much faster.
Yeah.
But I wanted you to see it as it broke down. And I know not everybody does have a food processor, but it would definitely go faster.
Lots of great flavor. I mean, the dried fruits, the cranberries and the raisins are favorites of mine. Pistachios.
Yeah,
Yum.
pistachios. Yeah, the fruit gives you that sweet.
You have macadamians in there
Yeah,
too?
macadamia
Yeah.
nuts. So,
was
yeah,
good.
it's really good. I like it. And, you know, make it ahead, refrigerate it, and then bring it out the time of the party. So, it's
Nice
a
one.
winner.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
All right.
All right. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. All the recipes are always at the end of the video in the description box. We'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye. And new videos every Sunday, too. I like it. I love Brie cheese.
Oh, funny.